Tory Lanez, he was supposed to do the deposition in the Milagro, the Meg versus Milagro Defamation.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. Please like the video and subscribe. Our target is only 1,000 likes. So Megan Thee Stallion has been granted a restraining order from the imprisoned rapper Tory Lanez until early 2030. The A-list pre-record judge Richard Bloom has granted Megan's request for a protective order after the hip-hop star alleged that Lanez was harassing her from prison through surrogates as he serves a 10-year sentence for shooting her in the feet. The order was granted after a hearing on Thursday. Michael Hayden, who is Tory Lanez's attorney, wrote in an objection to the restraining order request, claiming that his client's incarceration meant there is no longer any form of current or future threat to Megan, and that there had been no direct contact between the two recently.
Bitch in Tucson, pregnant.
Yeah, this nigga's a fool. Like, goddamn, how long was I asleep? Yo,
Oh man.
Tory Lanez. He was supposed to do the deposition in the Milagro, the Meg versus Milagro Defamation trial.
It's like the third time, right?
Yeah, this is the third time. Apparently, he was tough the second time. Was on some what did he say? He said, "What you gonna do to me? I got 10 years already. What are y'all gonna do if I don't
That's a good point.
answer these questions?" They fined him because he didn't. He came back the third time, didn't answer the question, said, "No, I'm cool." They fined him $20,000.
Fined his lawyer.
$5,000, and that's that.
I pay it.
I cannot, for the life of me, figure out why Tory Lanez has not started ratting yet. I cannot figure this out.
To Flip's point, it's against his ethics and his moral code.
Oh.
In this instance, I mean, what does this do?
Huh?
In this particular instance,
you got to go in there, give a deposition. You got to go in there and tell what you know about a certain thing.
right? They asked him, how did you
with that shit?
Have you ever, how do you meet the blogger? Have you had any interaction? Have you sent any information, anything like that? So I'm just saying, let's say he answers these questions. You saying why he ain't rat yet, quote unquote. What does this do for him?
What you mean? Ratting?
In this instance, this don't help.
Like in the
I
deposition.
should say answering in the deposition. What does it do for him if he's truthful? This is the main
say he
case
sent the lady
against
some-
Milagro. Milagro is his people.
Got you. So let's say he did send us some information.
Ice ain't toxic enough for me.
Okay.
I'm gonna answer you too.
Hold on. Go ahead, Ish.
Oh, yeah, go ahead, Ish.
Yeah, I'm snitching. I'm saying I corroborated with her to put this information out about Meg.
You would do that, you saying?
No.
No, I'm saying what does it do for him to do that? I understand.
I thought you said
where is it
for him to
in
not
his...
do it? Got you.
This don't help him.
The three questions that plaintiff's counsel asked during the deposition were how he first came to know defendant Milagro Cooper, 2, whether Mr. Peterson communicated with defendant Cooper, and 3, whether he sent Miss Cooper Instagram direct messages or text messages.
And y'all got to understand where he's being housed. He's in jail, B.
True.
So if the word gets out when he's in jail that he went and did a deposition and gave information and all of that stuff, shit gets a little different.
He just got stabbed. I want to go out there and make shit
You crazy?
tougher for me.
Yeah, you bugging. Yeah. Joe, you would sit there and say, I ain't telling y'all shit.
Who?
If you got sentenced to 10.
Have-
right now.
you have-
Whoa. Not right now.
You have Joseph Anthony Budden
but Joe,
Jr.
You play Monopoly,
play it out,
bro.
though. I'm just saying, play it out.
You play Monopoly well.
Let's do it.
What do you get for answering this deposition? They're not knocking time off his
What am I gonna get? A wedge up Meg's ass?
No, you're not.
No, you're
Yes, I am. I'm gonna answer everyone. I was fucking the shit out of Milagro.
Okay, but first off,
Hey, stiff dicking her down, the best dick she ever got. Yeah, I'm doing all of that.
And you
We
know what?
talk every night.
you know what happens?
I'm
Meg
putting all
wins.
the sauce on the world. Meg is gonna win anyway. We don't care about that.
But then you
I'm just being toxic.
Oh yeah, but then you the witness that allow her to win.
She's gonna win anyway.
But you're gonna go back to
Well,
that
how you
bunk.
know she's gonna win
You're
anyway,
gonna go
Joe?
back to that bunk and have a different experience.
What's gonna be my experience?
You're a rat.
You told the judge I'm a millionaire. What you gonna do? I got 20,000.
Talk about the judge.
Talking about
That's
the
my
other
point.
people in there where you at.
I'm telling you what I would do. First of all, not ratting on the girl you fucking is what got him in there.
Yeah, I'm with you. I'm with you there.
Hey, this is called taking it to the next level.
You're right.
Allegedly. But
Yeah, please.
Hey, you should develop new habits if fucking a girl and not ratting got you where you at. I would be at the edge of the bed waiting to rat on the girl I'm fucking. Are you kidding me? Mm-hmm. And again, we don't know that they fucking. Meg think they was fucking. Actually, and they wasn't fucking. I think she was fucking somebody in the crew, allegedly. So look at you niggas.
Telling niggas
I'm ratting.
Good.
I'm ratting. Give me a reason.
I know.
Give me a reason to go ahead and tell the truth.
You be right in
and I would negotiate. What can I get from this? I want some
nothing,
shit.
Nigga.
I want extra lunch tomorrow.
You gonna get lunch? All right.
I want fucking.
You gonna get a lunch.
They'll pack a nice one for you too.
Hey, I'm not answering none today, but if you come back tomorrow with a Twix and an Almond Joy, I might answer number 2. Play your cards right.
It's gonna be your joy.
Fuck you talking about?
You gonna get joy, all right.
I can't believe Tory Lanez.
Twix and
Shout to Tory Lanez. Shout out to Meg. That trial started yesterday. We'll see what happens with that. Shout out to Milagro as well. Mm-hmm. And this is for posting the AI shit or oh my god.
Yeah, the AI sex tape.
Yeah. This is the never-ending bullshit.
Yeah, he can't get up. Yo, still got to just deal with this lady and her situation.
That's some wild shit.
Tory shouldn't be in no jail.
Yeah.
This is craziness.
He got 10 years, Joe.
I know.
He just probably trying to just let the nigga just do his time. When is he eligible for parole?
He's not. He got 10 years. He got 10 years.
Flat?
Yeah.
Stiff.
Mm-hmm.
Is that true?
There's no programs he can do?
Look at Mark. Mark making sure.
There's no
He wrote the letter.
No,
Do not let this nigga out. He is a menace to society.
Anything, Mark, that he can do?
I mean, from what I've read, because initially there was debate about whether he was eligible for early parole. What I read was no.
Really?
Really?
Yeah. Now y'all can fact check that. Hopefully, I'm wrong. Again, I think he's guilty, and I think he should be held accountable. But I think 10 years is way too long a sentence. I've always said that.
You said that. Yeah, you said that.
That's way too long a sentence. Yeah.
No, he's only eligible for parole after his 10-year sentence is upheld.
Yeah. 10 is the minimum. Yeah, he got to do 10.
Nigga,
Oh, no.
I'd have ratted in a New York heartbeat.
New York City?
I would have wrote a new song to Trump every day.
Yeah.
Trump would have 365 songs. I beg your pardon. It would all be pardon flips.
Trump can't do nothing to him, can he?
It's a state case.
It's a state. Oh,
Yeah, Trump can't do shit.
And it's California, right? Yeah, so
Gavin ain't.
Newsom ain't.
Newsom ain't doing nothing.
Yeah, nah.
Let me see.
He doing
That
all-
lady came out acting like she had new evidence, too, remember?
Yeah.
She had me hype. Y'all new evidence. I said, oh, she look hype, too. Like, she distracted me. I said, oh, she look good. Who was this lady with new evidence?
It'd have been fine if they'd have honored the old evidence. They didn't let the old evidence in.
Do you?
What?
We can't really talk about it.
I'm not talking about it. I'm
I
chilling.
ain't saying shit.
Do you call it a railroad?
Huh?
Do you call this a railroad? Long Island.
That's how they tried to get me on the Logan Paul pod. When I went over there, tried to get me to spill all the tea on Black Matters. Went over to see my man Logan Paul. Shout out to Logan Paul.
What was that like?
What was it like? We had a great time. It was fun. Had a good time over there.
Nice.
What's up with you? Why you making a face like that?
No, I know you don't do a lot of podcasts. You don't do a lot of stuff, and this is a major white podcast. I was curious to know like what the vibe was like, what they asked you, what your experience was like.
I got a call and say, "Hey, you want to do Logan Paul's podcast?" I said, "Hell yeah!"
Sound like fun. Yeah.
Hell yeah! Let's go fucking do it. Let's go get on some white shit.
Hell yeah.
Fuck yeah,
bro.
Crossover Joe.
You say dude on this interview, I'm a fuck.
And I went over
You
there.
better not, yo.
It was him and his co-host Mike. I had no knowledge of how big or small the podcast was, how big or small he was, pause, but he's a pretty big deal.
Yeah.
Super
Logan
huge
Paul,
following.
I've never watched the show.
Huge
Shout out to
following.
them.
Am I missing something?
No.
Why y'all looking at me funny?
He's looking down on you, for sure.
I think that's
Mark?
fine.
I would do Logan shit. I'd do that part in a minute. Yeah.
Mark would go up there. Hey, yo, you know what?
Mark do Pierce Brosnan. He would definitely do. He would
Pierce
definitely do Logan Paul.
Pierce Brosnan is a fucking actor, right? Yeah, nigga from 007.
Mark would do Logan Paul.
Hell
You'll
yeah.
body that shit. When if you go up there,
That one and my homeboy that do MMA. What's his name? Rogan.
would you take any opportunity to get some shit off Mark when you go up there?
What?
Woody.
Oh, yeah, I do. I would just be me. Just like,
Nah, but hold on. You is two type of yous. It's Miz and Mark.
That's Miz.
no, I'd be whatever. You know what I mean?
I just want to say.
Hey, let it out.
He be like this.
Whatever.
He be like this.
You want me to
He be like
be.
this. Who's behind the camera? Where you from? I want to say free. He starts saying free shit. He put his hand up.
Do we get activist Mark or defend my white new brother Mark?
Oh, you get a little bit of both. You get a little bit of both. You get a little mix. You get a little mix.
My white new brother.
I can see it
Few
now.
Marks we got. I tell you, anybody that spell Mark with a C,
You gotta watch out.
you
This was some
gotta watch
bullshit.
him. You gotta watch him, yo.
Activist Mark is popping out on one of them shows for sure.
Got to.
He calling names. They're gonna scrap that episode.
They might have to.
Hey, yo, when the episode coming out? Yo, the camera fucked up, Mark.
Yeah, with some audio issues.
They be doing that. They be doing that.
Shout out to Logan Paul, man. I'm back outside. I'm back outside this quarter, man.
Fourth quarter, nigga.
I'm back.
Love
Turn
it,
up,
love
turn
it,
it up,
love it.
turn it up. Come on, man.
My man.
Got some
Moving around the fourth. Yeah.
shit up the sleeve, man. Fourth quarter, y'all know what time it is. I don't let y'all down.
We also go in pockets. We also go in your pocket. Fourth quarter is good for us too. For me. You know what I'm saying?
You look like
Hey.
you're doing good. I seen a little Supreme Averex or whatever you had on.
Nah, don't worry about me.
Every
That
time-
shit look like money when you came
No.
in.
He get money every time he get a demotion.
Yeah. Oh, you co-signing them?
No, but I know you look like you getting a lot
Are
of money.
you co-signing the rumors?
No, the room.
I guess
To me, a demotion means pay decrease.
that's what
That's what it means to me.
Yeah.
I'm wrong.
Yeah.
Tell me what the demotion means.
Shit.
That's not a
So wait, hold up. So if I'm the head coach of the Lakers
lost.
and they make me assistant coach, but tell me I can keep my salary, I didn't get demoted.
You did get demoted.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Your title changed though.
Yeah, but it's a down. Your title went down. That's where the demotion comes from.
His title didn't change. It's the same exact title.
Yeah, but I'm just saying money don't.
You know what? These niggas be hating on me. Y'all
not
niggas
hating at
gotta
all.
do double the work and get your nigga. I came up. I'm not even mad at y'all niggas. And you cracked the joke last time, nigga. Shit be
Get him-
by-
get him for that shit he said last time.
What'd I say?
I don't know.
Yo, you sure it's by choice? Shit be by choice, bro.
I know it's my choice.
Shit be by. If I
Oh
want to come
yeah,
in
we
Friday,
saw what you said on the playback.
If I want to come in on Friday, I can't come in on Friday.
I know you can.
I did it before.
Like
I
if we
can't
not
for what this
taping?
nigga say. No. On Friday, I come in. I come in this Friday,
Like,
nigga.
you
If I
got a
want to.
friend in the building.
I will come here this Friday if I wanted to.
I bet you
funny shit
$100
is-
won't.
No,
One of my kids I will if I wanted to.
The pool
You just don't want to. You just
If I
don't want
want
to.
to come here Friday. He can't. He's not gonna tell me nothing. He's not gonna tell me nothing. He's not gonna say
Hey,
nothing.
Mark,
He's probably not gonna let
just so you know, he's done this before.
You say he probably not gonna what?
When he had
He-
COVID and shit. Like,
No, it was Flip had the clause where he could. And he was like, yo, I told Flip to go home. He
You
don't
don't
have
gotta
to
come
be
here
here.
Friday. I'll walk in this shit like Kane, nigga.
It'll be like, yo, no Flip today. And then what happens
Stop playing
at
with me.
12 o'clock?
I don't want nothing to do with this.
So don't act like you playing with your man like you don't know I
didn't
come
say
here
a
on Friday if
word.
I want to come here on Friday.
I know
That's
you can.
one. Two,
He will.
I don't allow niggas that hate. No disrespect, but all disrespect intended. Because niggas gotta do double the work. Nigga, I'm just out here living. I'm trying to get to it and do my job.
That's smart.
I'm trying to put on for my
You
man.
lose.
Right. Working twice as hard for twice the pay. Nothing. I forgot. No contract talk.
Shout out to Tory Lanez, man.
Speaking of twice the pay, OJ Simpson's estate is about to pay $58 million.
Oh, come on, please. What the fuck?
Let me clarify. Let me clarify what happened. So the Ronald Goldman,
Okay.
you know,
rest in peace.
he was obviously killed.
Okay,
Yeah,
boyfriend.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And over time they've been trying to get
not
money.
the boyfriend.
He wasn't the boyfriend. He wasn't.
They
messing
never
with the-
proved that they was fucking around.
Anyway.
Whoever was in front of that house.
Wait, hold up. Am I missing something I
Joe,
saw
you-
every
Joe.
dark in the world?
Joe, stop. That nigga's a slap you.
Wait a minute.
Is that
I'm
dragging
serious.
on your
Well, you
head
ain't think they was fucking around?
unleashed?
I'm saying that I've seen every doc on this matter. None of them say, and not that means anything, but that's not the story
Yo,
any
pause.
of them say. They
You
say
talking for the white lady?
she left something at the restaurant. He saw it, brought it back.
No.
Okay.
This how you get cheated on. Nigga. Not saying now. You're not getting cheated on now.
Hey, yo.
This how niggas like you get cheated on. Nigga. Oh, he brought back what?
Oh, he just brought it back.
he brought it back.
Just left
to
it.
the house. I'm gonna go back to
What, he
sleep.
driving her car?
that's
and all
okay.
types of shit?
Yeah. Come on, Joe. I didn't hear that.
Allegedly. Yes, they were fucking allegedly. What are you talking about? Anyway.
This nigga's crazy.
Let's go.
Allegedly.
Y'all think they was fucking?
Yes.
Are you being serious right now?
Yes.
You dead ass, yo.
She forgot something at the restaurant that he
His
worked
dick.
at.
Tender as hell, yo. What tender love, yo.
She left
God
his dick at the
damn.
restaurant. He came out.
Oh my God.
Oh shit. But anyway, Fred Goldman, the father of Ronald Goldman, whoever he was to
What's
her.
his fucking money?
Yes. And so they made a claim of $58 million plus interest to the O.J. Simpson estate. What's interesting about this, because that's not really new that they want money, the O.J. Simpson estate, now that O.J.'s passed away, has accepted the claim.
Well, no. OJ had accepted the claim because OJ had paid a small portion of it. So they
once you pay, you want to.
Wait, OJ paid?
No.
OJ paid a small portion of that civil suit. It wasn't.
If he do that,
but he paid a little bit.
Right, they paid him the civil suit. That's the resolution. Now that he's died, his estate has all this money.
Right.
They went back and made a claim for their money that was remaining from
the civil
suit.
Oh, yeah,
What I'm saying is the O.J. Simpson estate has said, yes, we will give it to you.
They don't have no choice though.
They do have a choice to not accept the claim. They could have disputed it. That's the news. Is they've accepted the claim. But
what is there to dispute though? I'm just curious because
How
again,
can they dispute
once you if he's disputing, if OJ's disputing whatever, once you pay onto the claim, you've accepted it.
Okay, so
now if that transfers,
let's take a step back because I think we're missing the point.
Yeah.
The initial claim was for $117 million. Okay, that was the civil suit disposition. The estate has said we're willing to pay $58 million of it. OJ was never trying to give that money. The estate is saying we actually accept that we owe you money.
But he said OJ paid something towards the civil suit. Is that
a very small amount, and then it did everything it could to block the $117 million to avoid paying it.
Okay, maybe something's different.
What was filed in Nevada court on Friday was an acceptance that we're going to give you $58 million, but they're saying in real life we're still only going to probably give you about $1 million of it. We're going to debate back and forth, but we're going to give you about let me pull up the exact number just so I got it right, but I believe it was $1 million. That they said they will likely end up paying. I don't see it right now. They will. He's still hoping to round up $500,000 to $1 million in total assets, because the argument is we don't have the assets to pay you, but we'll give you between $500,000 and $1 million. Right. Okay. But the point is, at least they're going to get some of this money, because when OJ was alive, they weren't going to see another dollar. They weren't going to see another dollar. But OJ Simpson, the state, for whatever reason, saying, we'll give you some. We'll give you $1 million.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just love that Homeboy's dad is still alive,
standing on business.
Yeah, fuck that.
Standing on business and
I'm with him.
causing the Simpson family havoc. Yes. I don't get it. I don't think homie even cared if he get that money. But y'all ain't just gonna be gallivanting around town.
My name won't pop up.
So you don't believe
I'm gonna harass the shit out of y'all.
You wasn't on the side if the glove don't fit, then to quit. You wasn't on the side of that. You wasn't cheering back in the days. Why the fuck would you? You wasn't cheering back in the days when OJ got off.
I was.
So what I'm saying, why would, if you was cheering, why would you say you hope that he gives their family all the time?
I was cheering. I'm gonna keep it a buck. It's ignorant, but I'm gonna keep it a buck.
You was cheering because he was black.
Yes, on some. Okay, we needed a win,
and we were teenagers.
Yeah, I didn't know the intricate details. We was in school, but that's a black win. That's how I looked at that.
I was the same way.
That was right off Louima.
Like it was we caught a lot of L's
before.
Was it Rodney King?
Rodney King.
After Rodney King, yeah.
All right, I'm mistaken.
Oh yeah, Rodney King. Okay, Rodney.
But yeah, so that's all I saw. That's all a lot of
Rodney King was 94.
Yeah.
Oh, I be getting my dates fucked
No.
up.
Yeah. Was that 92?
Yeah, Rodney King was not 94.
92.
No, but the trial.
The resolution of trial was the fall of 95.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah. There we go.
That's when he got the not guilty verdict. But and just for clarity's sake, the initial verdict was for $33 million that he was supposed to pay the families, but interest is ballooned up to the 117. I just want to be clear
I would keep on. Every time I turn around, I'm filing. Yep.
Yeah.
Y'all got some money over there?
I'm gonna need that.
I need about me.
Yeah, and I feel the same way y'all feel. When the verdict happened, I was happy that it was not guilty. I thought OJ, even as a kid, I thought OJ killed them.
I think OJ killed them now.
OJ definitely killed those people. But at the time,
allegedly.
No, I'm not saying allegedly.
Mark
I don't have to say allegedly. He found guilty.
That don't mean he did it. He was found not guilty.
In the civil suit, we're talking about a civil suit, right? We're talking about by preponderance of the evidence, he was found liable.
Yeah, but the difference is, but the civil suit.
I'm only talking about the civil suit. I'm saying I can say based on the civil suit that by preponderance of the evidence, he was responsible for their death. That's all.
Lucky it's not the gay family, nigga.
That's fine. I believe. I mean, I know crazy take. I believe O.J. Simpson killed those two people.
I think he did, but you keep saying civil suit. You know, a civil suit, you're basically guilty to proven innocent anyway.
Yeah, the bar's in hell, and Mark knows that.
The bar is not in hell.
With a civil suit, you have to prove
it could be 51-49, but it has to be by a preponderance of the evidence. The evidence has to be more persuasive than not that you did it. But my point is, the police didn't play fair. They cheated the process. There was no honesty in that process. There's no way you could convict O.J. Simpson beyond a reasonable doubt
with all of the legal
in the legal case. So I was happy with the verdict because the police don't get to cheat and win. The system has to work. That's what I was happy. I was happy for that reason. But because I still thought that O.J. did it, I still felt happy to see the civil suit where they could show the evidence and say, look, clearly he did this shit. Clearly y'all owe us the money. Now, where I think it was completely fucked up is that when O.J. got convicted for basically taking his own shit back. They roofed him. And they roofed him basically to make up for the old thing. Again, that's cheating. You know what I mean? That's what I hate about the system. They basically cheated OJ. If he won, he won. You can't go back and now get him for kidnapping and stealing. That's corny to me.
Did he steal?
It was I don't think so. Based on what I heard, it was his shit.
Look, then he do that.
Yeah, he stole. No, I'm answering directly. Just because I don't get an answer y'all want don't mean I'm being equivocating. I'm saying no, I don't think he stole because it was his shit.
But it wasn't.
But
it wasn't his shit.
It was no longer
wasn't
his
his, Mark.
I understand your point. You may disagree with my analysis. What I'm saying is I'm not going. You suggested I was equivocating. I'm not. I'm saying no directly. My answer is no. We can disagree, but I think the answer was no. I don't think OJ should have been found guilty under those circumstances. But if you believe he did it, you still shouldn't get 10 years for it or whatever he got. You
got 20.
Yeah, people get probation for that shit. People fucking rob banks and get out faster than OJ got out.
That's true.
Well, we agree on this was the double back for.
Of course.
And that's what I hate.
I mean, we know how many times have judges said, "Yo, if I see you again, that's your ass." That mean they counting this shit right here.
That's when you get found guilty. That when you get found not guilty. You can be like not guilty, but if I see you again, I'm doubling it up. Like, the fuck is that?
But that was the point that we was just making. You said, "Yo, he was guilty," and we said, "No, he's not guilty." And you said he was guilty in the civil side, but not in the criminal side.
Right.
Cool. So the same judge can say, "Yo, dog, I thought you was guilty. I'm gonna roof you."
And again, if he was found not guilty primarily because of police misconduct, which was right and fair, if I'm the judge, I'm gonna say you're not guilty.
You got
Don't come back in here for no bullshit though.
No, you guilty.
Right,
you got off on a technicality because the investigation fucked it up.
You shouldn't do that.
It's always just being circular.
I'm just saying you shouldn't.
Yeah, and we breaking down OJ again.
Speaking of money,
never gonna stop.
That's never gonna stop. I just want to shout out Mackenzie Scott, former wife of Jeff Bezos.
Mm-hmm.
She has now given $700 million in money to HBCUs. That's a lot of fucking money.
That's a lot of fucking money.
I don't care how much you worth. That's a lot of money.
That's a lot of money. Look into that a little bit. Did you have who took her a visit? Nah, I'm looking deep into that. What?
Pause, so to speak.
I'm just saying, who left an imprint on her? Who left an impression? Who left? You know what I'm saying? Shout out to her, man.
Big imprint.
Yeah.
No, but that's great. And the other thing is she gave like $70 or $80 million to Howard. She gave money to Spelman.
That's fine.
But she's not just giving money to the big name brand, popular, bougie, middle class HBCUs.
Alcorn State or some shit.
Yeah, she's giving money to the HBCUs. There's over 100 HBCUs in this country, over 110 HBCUs in this country. And most of the people only know Howard, Spelman, Morehouse, like the big ones.
Yeah, the big ones.
And often, Morgan State they used to have some questionable admissions policies in the 90s or 80s. But there's now this moment where people are realizing there's a whole lot of HBCUs, the Dell States of the world. You know what I mean? The Lincolns, not just the Lincoln in PA, but the other Lincoln, like that need the money. And I'm glad that she's using her money for that. And that's a great way.
Shout out to her.
Ooh, that's almost $1 billion in money. That's crazy.
That's amazing.
Yeah. That's it.
When you gonna get some money? Yeah. When you gonna get some money?
When am I going to get some money?
Give.
Oh, anytime.
Oh.
I'm always ready to give. You think I won't? Why you talk to me like that? You think I'm going to give?
You said fuck them kids.
All right. Yeah, but at a certain amount. I believe the children.
You talking about the promises.
Or turkeys. If you had known about his turkey drive, you would have gave, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. How many turkeys?
But he don't like me to see the other side of him, so he wouldn't invite me.
You don't want to see politicians.
What's the other side?
Politician-ish.
We don't get to see that.
Or
What type of
You
politician
think
are
your
you?
affiliation with me will get you not voted in?
That's your man. Oh,
And go there and dress up next time, nigga. That hoodie shit, nigga. Go up there and represent, nigga. You about to be a politician.
Why would I do that?
Oh, you also Russell? Well,
It alienates the people.
Oh, yeah, he good. He got it. He got
He
it.
good with the words.
He got it.
Oh, he ready.
Oh, okay.
Oh, he ready.
Okay.
I need to hear more. For my vote, I gotta hear more than.
Need to hear policy, yo. What you?
It's
What's
still
your
on the fence.
stance?
I don't know.
You gotta earn
the
mine,
fuck
dog.
out.
You gotta earn mine. Yo, Joe, you got hot Cheetos up here. What's going on, man?
Okay, so I don't know if anybody else cares about this as much as I do. But starting in, I want to say December,
Oh, that's around the corner.
Flamin' Hot Cheetos will no longer be red. They will be a new dye-free Flaming Hot Cheeto.
I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Dan.
Okay.
No.
Dog,
No.
look at the new Flamin' Hot Cheeto.
No.
No.
That's the new Flamin' Hot
not
Cheeto.
make them shits no
The
more.
naked
It's not
joints.
flaming
That's the
hot.
naked joints.
Wait, hold up, y'all. The white side of Ish coming out. What'd you say?
He loves Cheetos, so I don't know.
What?
He's trying to play.
You said-
I haven't
You
eaten a
said why-
Cheeto in a very long time.
You said why don't they stop making it?
Yeah.
Because the hoes love hot Cheetos ish.
I ain't know that.
Niggas love.
I'm also a hoe, I guess.
Yeah, it's very successful for them.
Oh,
But however, reports have
they
come
are
out
horrible.
for your health. They say your shit,
All of that.
your stool will
Children,
turn
everything.
red. all
So
this
it's
stuff.
Cheetos and Doritos.
Oh shit, Doritos.
Go
Doritos had us flaming hot.
No, but the nacho cheese.
but what they're saying
It
is
should say red like that.
Cheetos and Doritos go naked with new products free of artificial colors and flavors. So that's
dope.
what you're talking about. Is the NKD on the packaging
Yeah.
is naked, which they're not going to have any colors.
that's
The
a
products
choice.
will be Doritos Simply Naked Nacho Cheese, Doritos Simply Naked Cool Ranch, Cheetos Simply Naked Puffs, and Cheetos Simply Naked Flamin' Hot.
I like this.
Cool Ranch Doritos ain't gonna be Cool Ranch no more.
No, they
They're
are.
not-
They're just not gonna have no
It
bullshit.
gotta
in
have the
them.
blue shit on it.
Yeah, you need the blue shit on
The sprinkles.
I ain't gonna hold
I
it.
gotta try it.
Sorry.
Gotta try.
Nah,
it.
Yeah, but
I'm scared.
Because
But
now that's how they're gonna get you. Because when you know how you can look in the bag and be like, all right, they can season this one good, but this one is good. Now they all
freeze-
naked.
Just that fast, I see how artists don't want to go independent.
The other shit will still be for sale though. They're not getting rid of
Oh, this
other
is a
shit.
separate brand.
Yeah. I don't think they
Oh,
get
all right,
rid
we
of other
good
shit.
then.
Come on,
we good. We
no.
outside.
No, mine say Flamin' Hot Cheetos will not be red anymore, and that one I understand because they was talking about health complications.
Yeah, bro.
All of these are health.
They said all of this shit is horrible for you.
All of that shit is horrible for
No,
you.
that's what I'm telling you. I ain't eat a Cheeto in a very
It says
long time.
fans of the more traditional Cheetos and Doritos products will still be able to purchase their favorite snacks.
If you want the poison shit,
so
you
you
still get the
you have
poison.
choices. It's like when Doritos did them baked shits.
Yeah.
Can I still
Which are
get
disgusting.
red Flamin' Hot Cheetos?
Yes.
Okay, then I was told wrong information.
Yes.
All is right in the world.
Yeah, we don't care about that, man.
All is right.
I don't think Sweetie's ramen would have been the same.
Yeah, nah, you need to.
Which is important.
Yeah.
90.
I was at the store the other day, and next to it they had this motherfucking ramen soup spot.
Okay.
And I was hungry. It was noon, 1 o'clock, so I went in there, me and my lady. Nigga, when I get in them ramen spots, I act like I ain't have no home training.
Ramen
What is it
shit.
about the ramen?
should be good,
Yeah, I ordered everything in there. Because I don't know what nothing means. Yeah, I want the chicken broth and the Japanese broth. I want boiled eggs. I want this noodle. I ordered like a total lunatic in the ramen
should.
Wasn't it? She was rocking,
Oh
wasn't
my
it?
God, it was
yeah,
rocking.
should be good.
No, it was great. It was
Ramen
great.
spot is-
Shout out to all the ramen spots out there.
Yeah, word.
I ordered so much shit in there.
What's better, pho or ramen? Pho or ramen?
Ramen.
What's for?
Ramen.
The Vietnamese.
Vietnamese.
It's similar. It's similar.
Thicker,
I never had pho.
Oh, y'all got to go to the faux spot.
Faux.
Yeah.
It's good, Mark.
Yeah, I like faux boring, but
Man, FIFA fo fum. Give me
Ramen.
some motherfucking ramen.
Yeah,
man. I
You
don't know about
ain't
ramen.
had a good pho then.
I didn't.
Pho is Vietnamese ramen.
Crazy. You love
yeah,
it.
basically.
It's beef
I've had-
usually.
I've had
It's usually
pho,
beef
but-
in there.
Thinner, right?
Same noodle.
Similar noodle.
Similar.
Thin.
Very, very thin.
See, I like a thinner noodle now.
Yeah.
Pause.
Hey, don't try pho and let it go on in, Joe.
girth.
Oh, girthy.
I thought it on this podcast we was done pausing. Didn't we? Didn't we?
No.
That's never
Me
happened.
and Paul, me and Park
we
said
did
no.
vote.
Yeah, no.
We told y'all no.
I thought we voted to grow up. We did.
Y'all might have.
Some of y'all did.
We didn't.
As a collective, no.
Shouldn't we vote again?
No.
I don't care. You can vote again.
Let's vote.
Vote's
We
the
should, we
same.
should pause less.
No.
I think we pause less than we used to.
We should pause less.
We do pause less.
We pause less.
Now we just look and be like, yo, come on, dog. Like, that was wild.
Yes.
I don't think we pause less, but I'm with you.
Let's
They stopped saying bitch, so we
See
the
my
power
growth.
of the pod.
See my
Hey, you
growth.
going to school today, bro?
He did.
see your
stop.
growth.
Don't you start today?
That was the problem.
Don't you start classes today?
No.
When you start?
January, he said.
Oh, January.
Well, yeah, college starts in like they do September,
No,
the fall, and then they do January.
No, I understand.
Just start in the middle.
Hey, yo, no.
Don't they should start today? Nigga, it's November.
I forgot the
It's the
date.
end of the semester.
I forgot.
Fucking Barber College.
He came with his book bag. He came with a book bag and he looked like he going
That's just
somewhere.
for
You
the
got
fit.
first day of school.